Hi and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the applications of cyber-physical systems in the waste management industry. So what are the possible applications of cyber-physical systems? Well, there are quite a few. The first one is automatically sorting out the garbage into categories. Using cyber-physical systems, we can identify this garbage type belongs to plastics or glass or paper or biodegradable waste and things like that. Next is identification of the most sustainable ways of garbage decomposition. And second, identification of the most sustainable ways of garbage decomposition. So what do we mean by that? It's basically to identify that this type of garbage requires this type of processing to ensure that it's very environmentally friendly in its decomposition or its breaking down into natural elements process and things like that. The third application is the continuously monitoring of the toxic levels of garbage dumps. So what do you mean by this? So by continuously monitoring the levels of toxicity in the garbage, we can understand, okay, this is a healthy amount or this is a safe level. We need to ensure that the workers are protected from hazardous chemicals and toxic fumes and gases. To ensure that cyber-physical systems can be deployed in working environments and in waste processing facilities as well as transportation, to ensure that garbage levels emit only a toxic amount of waste or a toxic amount of fumes or natural gases. In case something exceeds beyond that, we need to understand and execute the safety procedures or the health procedures to ensure that the impact to human life is minimized. Next, we have identification of reusable elements in waste. So we talked about this in the previous lecture, the circular economy. So we need to identify, and we can identify using cyber-physical systems, what are the materials that can be reused in a particular waste. For example, if you take e-waste, we can train cyber-physical systems to automatically identify what are the types of elements that can be extracted from e-waste and things like that. So the final application would be to increase the efficiency of the processes in waste management. For example, if you take cyber-physical systems can be installed in garbage trucks and they can automatically identify when a garbage truck is full, and based on that and other related data like the amount of garbage collected within a geographic area can be compared and ensure, and we can get a lot of insights to understand this is the amount of garbage that is being collected in this area and this is the level of garbage trucks. So we can efficiently allocate resources to ensure that a much more smoother and high efficient processing is done in the waste management industry. So we'll be going through each and every detail in our next few lectures. I'll see you there.